So now I'd like to stay in hardware and shift to a measurement category that most of this audience is very familiar with and use, data acquisition. We all know data acquisition scales from a few channels on a desktop to thousands of channels in a structural test cell. As a result, to meet your needs, we've got to deliver the widest breadth of test coverage, form factor, and connectivity, while delivering, of course, the software and support that you expect. So to talk about what we're doing in data acquisition, I'd like to welcome to the stage the leader of our DAQ R&D team, Michelle Denny. Great, you're here, Michelle. Now, what are we doing in DAQ in 2025?
Well, I'm excited to share today that we're releasing more than 30 new DAQ products this year.
Now our time's limited. I don't want to walk through them all, but can you break it down by product family?
Yeah, let's go. I'll start with our new family of USB DAQ we released last year, NI DAQ. With 1 megasample per second, simultaneous analog inputs, aluminum form factor, and small but important things like zip tie cutouts and a QR code for quickly getting started, it's been a huge hit. And that's not all. We've been releasing new software features every quarter through DAQ MX. Next, let's talk about CompactRIO. In February, we released lower-cost versions of our Ethernet chassis to lower our overall system cost. And today, I'm excited to announce our new USB Type-C versions. And that's not all. We've got an exciting roadmap of I/O modules, too, from lower-cost versions of our most popular modules to higher speed, accuracy, and resolution. And something I'm personally excited about, a new connector type that doesn't require tools. It gives you a visual and audible cue of successful wiring. And I think that's going to save a lot of frustration and hours of debugging.
All right, so I'm glad you mentioned C-Series modules. Obviously, C-Series modules go both in cDAQ and cRIO. Ritu mentioned in her introduction about new developments of cRIO embedded controllers. What else are we doing in cRIO in 2025?
Yeah, well, just this month, we released a security update that provides the software and documentation to enable more secure test systems that will comply with leading security regulations.
Well, you know, it's great to mention cybersecurity. Obviously, cybersecurity is important in our industry, in the world as a whole. I just want everyone to know we're investing heavily in cybersecurity for all of our hardware and software platforms. Okay, now, we're not at 30 yet, so keep on going, Michelle.
We do have a few more. Later this year, we're releasing new PCI and PXI products that bring new technology, higher channel density, different price points, and a DAQ-like startup experience to these formats. And then, beyond our PXI, PCI, CompactRIO, CompactRIO, and USB, there's one more product family I wanted to highlight today. But for this one, I thought we could really lean into the physical test part of DAQ. Here we have a new NI measurement device. It's embedded in this block of ice, and it's measuring the strain and temperature of its environment. It's a data logging demo.
Did somebody say logging?
And in every in every good demo, there's a lumberjack waiting in the wings to help you out. Hey, Steve, can you help us get this new measurement device out of the block of ice?
Absolutely, I can help you with that.
Well, safety first. Let's get you some glasses. Here, Kevin.
Thank you.
And I think maybe a real hammer would work for this better.
Aw. All right.
Okay, I think you know the ice is real. Can we see the strain when you're doing that?
Yes. All right, in here. Taking the temperature.
And that is FieldDAQ. And so is this. It's our high-performance sensor measurement designed for ultra-ruggedness. With IP67 and a wide temperature range, we're bringing our DAQ capabilities out of the lab and into the field. And this summer, we'll have voltage, IEPE, strain, and thermocouple available.
Before I go on, trust me, that demo has worked every time.
Every time.
So anyways, I know that product pairs very well with FlexLogger, our software for data logging, got to be careful saying that, and lab validation. So what advancements do we have coming in FlexLogger?
Yeah, I'm pleased to share that FlexLogger just got easier with a new GitHub plugin library. It's now quicker than ever to get the functionality you need without having to code it yourself. And we have some great community examples already up there, from really cool custom graphs to a test sequencer to sensor-specific calibration and much more.
So I'm excited to see how the community will advance this powerful DAQ software. Stay tuned for tomorrow's keynote, and you'll learn more about open source contributions.
Thanks for having me, Kevin. And as you're walking around the conference today, you'll see that DAQ is back. There's a lot more. There's more to cover than we had time to get into today, but stop by the expo or our DAQ sessions to learn more.
Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Steve.